All right, let me talk to you for a second because this is one of those moments where you realize your screen has been holding you back. The first time I powered on the Q7F, it didn't feel like a new TV. It felt like fixing something I'd been tolerating for way too long. This is for the kind of person who can tell when an image is almost right, but not quite there. You notice when highlights look dull, when motion feels slightly off, when a movie should feel immersive but instead just feels displayed. You not chasing specs anymore. You chasing the feeling of getting lost in what you watching. Before you go any further, check the current price and availability. Sets like this don't follow calm patterns, and the regret usually comes from waiting, not acting. I knew it was time to upgrade the night I switched back to my old TV after using this for a week. Everything looked flatter, smaller, less intentional. And once you experience this level of clarity and balance, you don't negotiate with lesser screens anymore. There's a real sense of relief that comes from knowing your display is finally doing the work for you. Colors feel confident instead of pushed. Bright scenes hold detail instead of washing out. Dark scenes stay controlled, not muddy. You stop fiddling with settings because the image just makes sense. Daily use is where it really settles in. Movie nights feel more cinematic without trying. Sports feel smoother, more alive. Gaming feels responsive and clean, like the screen is keeping up with you instead of lagging behind your reactions. Even background shows look better than they have any right to. Once you get comfortable, don't wait around for random stock drops or awkward price spikes. Those moments come and go faster than people expect. If you worried it might be more TV than you need, here's the truth: it scales to you. Casual viewing feels polished. Focused viewing feels immersive. And the surprise is how natural everything looks. No harsh processing. No artificial shine. Just a picture that feels grounded and premium. Owning something like this changes how you feel about your space. You sit differently. You pay attention longer. You feel a quiet pride knowing your setup reflects your standards, not your compromises. The picture feels calm and controlled. Motion stays smooth without distraction. Colors look intentional, not exaggerated. Details stay sharp without strain. Every session feels effortless. It is not the cheapest option upfront, and it might make your old screen unbearable. Eventually, you stop comparing. You choose the screen you already trust yourself to want. Don't turn this into one of those upgrades you keep postponing and thinking about later. Check the price, trust your instincts, and step it into a setup that finally feels complete.